I see you up there. You came down to say hi? Comes every morning. See if I can find him. I gotta put Ted away. Ted, you won't be liked by the birds. Come here, Ted. I don't know if I got him in sight there. He's up there somewhere. What are you doing, Laser? Come on, Ted. Ted. Sit. You came down already? You came down already. My camera's not on you. You come down to watch me? You want your bread? I got the cracked corn out. He's up there walking around. I can't put the corn out. He usually serenades me while I'm getting the bread out. I can't get the camera to stay on the angle that he's on. He's on a pretty good angle, guys. What are you doing up there? You got buttons going all over the place, you can see. What are you doing up there? Gonna watch me throw bread up? Such a pretty bird singing. So nice of you to come here and sing to me. Both wings. I thought you only did one flutter. You calling the others? Laser, laser, laser. Laser, laser, laser. What if he's still in frame? You still got him in frame? What are you doing, Laser? You fluttering for me? Such a pretty bird. You want your bread, hey? Laser. I hear the trail. What are you doing? You watch me? Laser. No, I can't do that. You can't even flutter. You know there's enough food down here for you. You can come down anytime you want it. You guys just putting on a show? He's still there. I'm back. He's got more than enough food. He just comes every morning. They come. There's two of them here. I'm believing a male and a female, and sometimes the chicks come. Listen to the noises he makes. He's so cool. As close as I could get. I could have got you a little farther, but I was having a hard time with the holding things steady thing. Well, the Laser, he'll flutter and do that stuff for me. Where did I lose him? I can't find him now. There he is. I gotta go, Laser. You got your food. I don't know who's making that other noise. Hey, that squirrel's coming over. Want a peanut, honey? Gonna come down to get a peanut? I want to top the wire. He's coming down the pole. There's no one over here. There's a couple squirrels coming, but I don't know if they're mine or if they're just visitors. Want a peanut? Anybody? Oh, Laser. Where'd he go? I don't have my glasses on again, guys, because I was trying to look side of the stairs. See, I knew she was coming down. You came all the way from the back, honey. You came all the way from the back? All the way to see me? Little girl. That's so nice of you. Where do you want to be? Want to come over here? Come on down. Where are you? I can't find you. There you are. Come on, honey. Want to be over here? Playing hide and go seek. Oh, did I catch it, guys? When they're doing that stuff back and forth, I don't know what to do. Uh-oh, she's chasing you, Laser. She do. Uh-oh, she's chasing you, Laser. She chased you, Laser. Last time you chased her. Last time I gave one of them a peanut and Laser chased. Where you going, honey? You going home? You going all the way home with that peanut? I'll try to meet you halfway next time. There's peanuts in the back window. You know you could have got one. In the back window. Going down. I wonder where she's going. I can't see any more guys and gals. I'm aiming just to see. See what happened. Got my stick with me. All right.